how to convert script into video, Pictory AI tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will explain as to how you can convert your script and make it into a video. You can use this video to upload into social media like YouTube, Facebook, or any other social media platforms. You can also use this video in LinkedIn and any other platforms as well. So let's get started. So I'm going to cast my screen and I will explain in detail with you. First we'll open the browser and then we will open the website pictory.ai. This is the tool which we use in order to create videos for us for the script. So we will just simply log in to Pictory, and once it is done, you will see a dashboard like this. In this particular dashboard, we will just going to click on script to video, and it will just create a video for us. But just to let you know that this is recommended for educational videos, coaching videos, and tutorial videos. So this is what we are going to use. So I'm going to click on proceed further with it. I have created a script for this video, and for you have to enter your own script over here and the title of the video over here. So I have my notes here. The title of the video for me would be what jobs AI will replace, and this is the script here. As you can see, the script has been pasted. You can write your own script here as well, and there are some character limits as well. Of course, I have created this spell check as yes, and you can also highlight the keywords if you would like. So from the scene settings, you have to enable this auto highlighted keywords, and also you have to enable auto visual selections, and make sure that you create scenes on both, which is line breaks as well as sentence breaks as well. You can also use line breaks as well if your project demands that. However, the best suitable thing which we recommend is selecting both for making videos. That's it. I have already prepared this particular script for you for the purpose of this video, and I will just hit on proceed to proceed further. As you can see, there are so many pre-made template library which Pictory provides. You can choose the one you like and just simply proceed further with it. I like this one, so I will just going to select this one, and you can also select from your template as well if you have created your own brand templates for Pictory. However, that is usually available in the pro plan or the paid plan as well. So there are so many different type of templates, as you can see here. They are amazing, as you can see. So I will choose this one for you, and since I'm creating videos for YouTube, I will hit on 16:9 and proceed further. If you are creating videos for Facebook, I would recommend choosing 1:1, and if you are selecting it for Instagram or any other platforms, then you could select 19:6. So we'll hit on 16:9 and click on continue. It will take some time for this particular AI to create a video for you. However, once it is done, they will send you an email that the project is ready and it's available now. So as you can see that the software is preparing the video for us. So here the video has been created. This is the title of the video, and for every sentence this particular AI has created a scene, right? So as you can see here, there are so many scenes. There are 10 scenes which has been created from the script which we have provided. All we have to do is just make some changes. If you feel that the scene is not good enough, you can make some changes over there. However, most of the time the scenes are always correct and accurate. So we'll just go ahead and hit on preview and see what AI has created. you're seeing the watermark of Pictory here. That is just because the video has not yet exported, and this is a free plan. That's the reason you are seeing it. But if you're going further with the paid plan, you will not see this watermarks in the main video. So this is done. This is good. So if you want to make some changes to the video, you can do that as well. So this is the scene 1, scene 2. You will just click on visuals, and let's say the sentence states one of the most extreme historical examples of technology driven job losses concerns of mechanism of agriculture in the United States. So I will select the technology video here. So I will say this with perfect. So if you don't like this one, you can replace it as well, like this. As you can see, this is replaced here. You can select the text as well, where you would like to keep it according to the video, and that's it. You can also save your styles. There are so many other elements available here as well, which is stickers. If you would like to add sticker to the video, you can do that. You have GIFs library available as well, along with emojis. So you can choose any of these that you would like in your videos. So you can also select audio as well. You can also upload your own audio, and also one of the most important thing which you can do here is selecting the voice. You can also do the voiceover in this software. So if you don't want to do your own voiceover and you want to let AI do the job for you, that is even possible here. I will just play these voices and you can able to see how it working.
That video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Let's say I would like to choose this voiceover here. I will click on apply and we'll hit preview here.
At the end of the 19th century, about half of American workers were employed in this primary sector.
As you can see that the AI has generated the voiceover as well along with the scenes. So as I told you, you can create the whole video out of this. It's very easy to do it. You can select the voiceover, you can select the music of your choice as I stated previously, you can select the scenes of your choice as I stated previously, and there are some settings which we need to ensure that they are correct. So if we click on the settings bar, you will see that there is a loop video option. There is a hide text option. Like if you don't like the text, you can simply click on hide text and then the whole text will be hidden from the video. And there are also visual, zoom and pan, voiceover as well as background music. You can choose this one if you would like, and if you can disable it as well if you don't want any background music or any voiceover from Pictory. If you're doing your own voiceover, then voiceover is not required. You can simply upload your own voiceover file and connect to this video, and Pictory will automatically sync your voice with the video and it will create it, right? So that's it. The whole video has been created here, I believe. All we have to do is hit on download, and there are few more things as well which you can do. You can not only download the video, you can also create a spreadsheet for social video post, and also if you have Hootsuite, then you can export it that way as well. So I don't have such, so I will just click on video and let this video be created by Pictory, and it will automatically be downloaded. One more thing, if this is taking some time, don't worry, you can simply minimize it and continue with your work. Rest of the thing will be taken care by Pictory, right? And one last thing, once this is created, you will get an email notification as well that the video has been created. So we can simply just go to Pictory and download it. As you can see, click to run in background and we will notify when your video is ready. So just hit on run in background and rest will be taken care by the team, right? One more thing, if you want to purchase the pro subscription of Pictory, or if you want to upgrade from free to paid version, I have mentioned my link in the description. Please do check out my link, and if you purchase a subscription from that link, I will get a percentage of the commission. However, it will not impact your price. The price will remain the same. And also, if there is any coupon code which is available for you, I will mention that as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you so much for watching.